What is up everyone? Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, iikutin natin ang pinakabagong Tamiya Racing Center dito sa Metro. So this is the Apex Glory Racing Center here in Mandaluyong City. So, let's go! Apex Glory Hobby Shop is located inside the Greenfield District Pavilion in Mandaluyong, just beside MRT3 Shaw Boulevard Station. If I remember correctly, pre-pandemic, ito yung Jollibee sa Crossing. If you are familiar with Crossing, yun yung bus stop dati. Pero right now, wala na kasi yung bus stop na yun. If you are commuting, baba ka lang sa MRT Shaw Boulevard Station and katabi niya na yung Greenfield District Pavilion. Kung may sarili ka naman transportation, hanapin mo lang sa maps ang Greenfield District Pavilion and nandun na siya sa loob. This racing center just opened last June 8, 2025. So bagong-bago. And kita nyo naman, packed agad ang kanilang stocks. As you can see here, meron sila mga copy parts. As you can see here. Ayan. So they allow copy parts here in this racing center. And then you have the kits here. And pag titignan natin yung price, of course, SRP sila. So you don't have to worry na overpriced yung mga stocks dito sa Apex Glory. Ayan. So kung ano yung presyo ng original Tamiya shops, so ganun din dito sa Apex Glory Racing Center. You can see ang dami nilang parts, no? So yung mga parts such as yung mga dampers na usually wala sa ibang shops, meron dito. You have the spacers. As you can see here, you have the bearings. Yan. So later, magpipick up din ako ng mga pwede nating bilhin for our future vlogs. And then, you have motors here. And, ang pinaka-astig ko nakita is they have stocks na ganito. So, meron silang Mac frame na black metallic. And then, meron din silang Mac frame na Fighting Korea. Which is, hindi ko gaano nakikita ngayon. So, SRP din, 1498 for the Fighting Korea Mac frame. And for the metallic black, tingnan natin yung price, 850. Ayan, so sa mga naghahanap ng Mac frame na kakaiba, meron sila dito sa Apex Glory. Punta lang kayo dito. And for those racers naman, meron silang mga oil dito. Ayan yung mga usual natin ginagamit na Voodoo oil. Meron sila. Ayan, you have stickers as well. Yung mga stabilizer natin, meron sila. Ayan, ikutin natin, no? So, you have the internals. Ayan, mga parts out nila, meron din dito. If plates lang yung kailangan mo. You have the tires here. And again, some Mac frame, Jeepney, Gumball, ayan, meron sila. Jeepney Silver Metallic, meron din sila. And Trirong. Itong Trirong, hindi ko gaano nakikita sa iba to, no? Guys, so kung naghahanap kayo ng mga medyo rare parts, so meron sila dito. Ayan, mga Mini 4WD, Santa Claus, Laser Gill. Ang dami naghahanap nito sa akin. Laging dami nagtatanong. So meron sila dito, puntahan nyo lang. Meron sila mga starter pack and advanced pack for the MA, Neo VQS, AR Speed, and yung FMA natin. So, yun yung price, 1498 and 11 for the starter pack, which is SRP, which is good. Meron din silang bag na binibenta dito. Igo tayo. Meron din silang mga merch. Gaya nito. So, pwede din kayong bumili if you want. And Mac frame, Fighting Korea version, Festa June na orange special, and of course yung kanilang race rack. Yeah, may race rack nila, may rainbow bridge. Tingnan natin. Meron din silang race rack dito sa kabila. I think ito yung ginagamit sa time attack nila. Meron silang time attack event ngayon, no? So, check nyo lang yung page nila. Lalagay ko yung page nila dito. And you have yung tables para sa mga racers natin. Right? So far, no, ito yung pinakamalaking racing center na napuntahan ko. Well, hindi pa ako nakapunta dun sa Santa Rosa na bagong renovate, pero so far ito pa yung pinakamalaking nakita ko. So napakalawak ng racing center nila. Kasya nga yung dalawang racetrack, no, as you can see here. Right, so open daily yung Apex Glory Hobby Shop. Open sila from 12 PM to 10 PM. That means 12 ng lunch and then up to 10 PM. Pero pag may races sila during Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, nag-open sila ng mas maaga, which is 10 AM up to 10 PM. So kung naghahanap kayo ng malapit na Mini 4W Tamiya Racing Center in the Metro, nandito lang siya sa District Pavilion Mall in Greenfield, Mandaluyong. Napakaraming selection, SRP yung prices, and malawak yung kanilang racing center. So, sugod na kayo dito, and I'll see you here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button, subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and I'll see you on the next one.